Hello traders, this is David from Wave Trader. This is an update of the September 25th USD Mexican buy trade that I took. And in that video, I was talking about how I would look for opportunities to keep adding to my position. Excuse me. So this video is an update to show you one of the positions I was now able to add. Right now I'm on the weekly chart and you can see that the upward move on this latest bounce is progressing nicely. Okay, it was activated when this spinning top was shown on the weekly chart. Okay, so when this weekly spinning top occurred, we now had a valid wave bottom situation. So going down to the daily chart, let us have a look and see. And in the other video I showed you that this was the first wave, second wave, and we were at the beginning of the third wave when I entered the trade, and you can see it here. So going down to the 4-hour chart, you can see what's going on. So I got into my first couple of trades about this area, okay, and I've been holding on since last week looking for an opportunity. And because I don't spend a lot of time on my chart, since I predominantly like to swing trade, so I check once in a while. So yesterday I was able to find an opportunity to go long again. I think I went long. This is the 1-hour chart. Okay, so what I saw was, I saw price in this region. Yes, I saw price in this region, and I knew there was probably going to be a retracement to the 50-55%. So I went down to the 15-minute and had a look. So this area that I marked it's about where I put in my buy entry. This time around I did not use a micro lot, because since I was certain it was still going to go up in my favor, I just placed a buy limit here. Okay, I took the retracement from this point all the way to the top here, and you can see that this being the 62, so I placed my order at the 55% entry point, which I usually like. And you can see what happened. The market activated my order, went up, came down against me, tested that level of support, went up again, and continued on to where it currently is now. So this just goes to show that the 55% entry level is a very, very good place to place your trades. Now, I don't always get my entries, okay, but 7 out of 10 times I do get my entries. The other 3 to 4 times, sometimes it blows past my entry point, but because I usually go in with a micro lot, I usually don't feel the effects of the drawdown as much. Okay, and other times it does not get to the 55%, it just turns probably at the 38 or even 50 and goes up. And in such a situation, if that happens to you, don't fret. All you have to do is just wait for another point. For instance, the case in point is here. Say you saw this move and you began to see this retracement going down. Let's make it bigger, okay? Say you saw this move and then the retracement going down, and you decided to take a retracement of this level here to here. You can see that, a moment, okay, you can see that the 55% retracement will be somewhere in this region. Okay, so let's say you place an order here to buy. Okay, what happened? The market reversed just before the 38% area. So when you see a situation like that, don't fret. Now look at what happened here now. So all you have to do is wait for a retracement to begin and take the level again. So if this is the first level now, this will be the second, we'll call this the third. So you want to take a retracement and find out how far the fourth leg will go to. So taking it from the third, now you see that it gets to just about the 55%. More often than not, it will take you in. Sometimes it will not. But if you are fortunate enough to be watching this chart, then the moment it begins to retrace against you, you don't have to wait now for it to get to exactly, because I think it's probably short of a pip also to get to the 55, or exactly at the 55 right now. So say you were watching this chart, all you had to do was just place your order, and you can see that it's beginning to go up again. Okay, and this red candle right now is a retracement of this bar. So let me prove that to you by going to the 5-minute chart and scrolling forward. So now you see that we have another wave bottom situation. So we have the second, and this is the third. So say you were watching this again on the 5-minute chart, and you decided to take this retracement level here right on the money. So say you had placed an order here for the 55% to be activated. Now you will be in the trade. Okay, so the 55% retracement level works like a charm, and I encourage you traders out there to practice it, and you will see that your trades will begin to turn out much more efficiently and much more profitable for you. Thank you very much.